Hello viewers, I hope you guys are doing great. So this is Sandeep Krishna Tulabandula, Regional Head Regrop, Telangana. I'm back here today to discuss regarding the same RERA series what I have been discussing earlier. So in this episode, I would like to discuss regarding the real estate registration for an agent. So basically, for an agent to be registered under RERA, they need to fill an application with few documents like authenticated PAN card, authenticated address proof, and if it is an individual, they can submit the name, photograph, and other details of the individual. And if it is for a firm other than an individual, they need to even submit the details of name, contact, photographs of the other partners as well. In addition to the documentation, the agent should include a demand draft or a check for a sum of 10,000 rupees if it is for an individual, or a sum of 50,000 rupees if it is other than an individual like a business firm. Once the application is filled out and sent for approval, there will be a team that sets out or that concludes their clarification or confirmation on the application is approved or not in a time span of 30 days. There might be chances of approval or rejection. If the application is approved, there will be approval certificate with a certificate number provided to that particular agent. If by any chance the authority denies or rejects the application, they provide a chance to rectify the defects to the agent or the firm. The registration is granted for a period of 5 years. What will happen after this tenure of 5 years? There is an option to renew. The renewal process is almost as similar as the new application process, but the only difference would be the application fees would be 5,000 for an individual, or the application fees would be 25,000 for an other than an individual or a firm. Once we submit renewal process, so it will take some amount of 30 days for the application to be approved or rejected. So for any chance if it gets rejected, the firm or the individual would be provided a chance to rectify the defects. The important thing that we should make note of when it comes to renewal is the renewal should be initiated 3 months prior to the expiry date.